In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work faster with keyboard shortcuts in Gmail. If you handle a lot of messages, learning a few keys can make your inbox feel much faster. We'll start by making sure shortcuts are enabled. Then I'll show you 3 essentials you can use right away: Compose, Reply, and Archive. First, open Gmail in a web browser on your computer and sign in to your account. Keyboard shortcuts work best on the desktop web version, so use a standard browser window. Once your inbox loads, we'll turn the feature on, so Gmail listens for those single-key commands. Go to the top right and click the gear icon. Choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. On the General tab, scroll until you find the Keyboard Shortcuts section. Select Keyboard Shortcuts on, then scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Saving is important. Your choice doesn't apply until you do that. After Gmail reloads, you're ready to use shortcuts. Back in the inbox, let's start with C for Compose. Make sure your cursor isn't inside a search box or any text field, then press the letter C on your keyboard. A new message window opens instantly, so you can draft without hunting for the Compose button. Enter your recipient, add a subject, write your message, and send as you normally would. If C doesn't seem to work, double-check that shortcuts are on and that your browser focus is on the Gmail page, not another tab or a text field. Next is R for Reply. Open any email you want to respond to and press R. Gmail drops a reply box right below the message and addresses it to the original sender automatically, so you can get straight to typing. This keeps your hands on the keyboard and reduces clicks. When your reply is ready, click Send as usual. Finally, E for Archive. From the inbox with a conversation selected, or while viewing a message, press E. The email is moved out of your inbox, which clears visual clutter without deleting anything. You can still find it later under All Mail or by searching, so it's a safe way to tidy up while keeping your history intact. That's all you need to get started. Log into Gmail, turn shortcuts on in Settings under General, then use C to compose, R to reply, and E to archive. Practice these a few times and you'll notice your workflow speed up immediately. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.